my channel. So I'm at Sorbhog. So this place is my parents, my mom and dad's village, and all my relatives are here. And today we have our show. And I'm so excited to be back to this place. I have come to this place almost after a decade. My cousin, she is Munni. We call her Munni. Pranami. I know her name, but I somehow forgot. And she, you know, she is Anuksha. So we are just gonna have a wonderful time here. Aru ami kiman din amar log paisilu?
Ketia biat paisili na?
Biat aisile.
Mahatan na boisonot.
Etu babulla. Ni babu?
গোটেই বংশৰ আছে বুলি ক'ব পাৰি মোৰ দাদা ভাই বৌ ভনীসকলো আছে মই বিচাৰিম আপি মাখা ইয়াতে
She is my mahi, my masi, and we call it mahi. You know, যেতিয়া মই নিজে মাহি, I understand the feeling of being a mahi. হিৰাততে আমি ডাঙৰ দীঘল হৈছোঁ, সেইকাৰণে মাহিক থেংক ইউ কৈছোঁ। অ'কে, লিপষ্টিক লাগি যাব। মোৰ ভাইটি হয়, মোৰ মাহীৰ ল'ৰা আৰু এয়া ৱাইফ। When I was a kid, I used to spend my vacation over here. And now, when I have come to this place, after so many years, and that too, performing in front of my own people, the feeling itself is wonderful. I really had a very great time over here. But you don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video. Bye bye. See you.